Libra, this is your channel messages for the 24th of May. Libra, I had a dream about you. I also have channel messages for you, Libra. So let me start off with a cappella song for you, Libra. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Libra, I'm getting a very sad. Your channel message is the 10 of Swords, the Moon card, and Scorpio. So I'm getting something about you miss your mom, you miss your mother, or something about you're having very sad. This could be something about what your mother did to you before she died. Resentment you have against your mom, or I'm getting something about your mom. I'm getting you feel lonely. You feel like nobody care about you. I'm getting Libra, you want to connect to a feminine energy. There's no females in your life that you believe care about you, right? Which is a lie, Libra. You see, Libra, it doesn't matter what YouTube, and it doesn't matter what the people have to say, Libra. I met you back in 2020. I never met you in person. I met you in the dream space a lot of times, but I communicated with you back in 2020. And I want you to know that my friendship is always open to you, Libra. I feel like you want a hug, and I feel like you want a feminine energy in your life that shows that they care about you, Libra. So I'm getting 10 of Swords, the Moon card, which is your mom or secrets. You secretly feel trapped, you secretly feel, I'm getting you very emotional. Your emotions are being heightened right now. I'm getting Scorpio, which is the Death card. I don't know if your mom was a Scorpio or the Death card. Libra, I want you to know that regardless of how fucked up you feel, how sad you feel, I want you to know, Libra, there's no such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. All right, Libra, so let's go ahead and go into your reading. Wait, I need to keep this for reference. I feel like you feel everybody has turned their back on you, especially the feminine energy. Let's go, Libra. First card out, Libra, the Death card. We're getting Scorpio, Libra. We're getting the death of somebody in your family. We're getting the death of your mom. We're getting the death or something about death. I'm not sure if you're in a lot of debt, Libra, if you feel suicidal. We're getting something about the Moon card, your feminine energy, Libra. I don't know how you feel, but I want you to know that my friendship is always open to you, Libra. And I want you to know that even though you lost your mother early, or you lost your mom, which was maybe the only feminine energy you had that you feel like care about you, I want you to know that there's no such thing as a life that's better than yours. Your mom might have passed away, Libra, and I'm so sorry. Some people don't know who their mothers are. The Death card, Libra. I'm going to show you, Libra, because I had a channel message for you. So I'm going to show you the Scorpio since we have it out already. Libra, 10 of Swords, the Moon card, Scorpio. The Death card. Here's your Scorpio. Okay? We're getting something about a Scorpio, Libra. Let's continue the reading. So I'm getting the death of somebody, or I don't know if you're feeling very suicidal. We have the 3 of Cups. Yeah, I'm getting it's all about the females, the feminine energy, how you feel. You might have a lot of female fans, but I'm getting you don't feel connected to none. Now this might be sisters, something about a Scorpio woman, sisters in your life. It could be aunts. All right. We have the Wheel of Fortune. We have the 2 of Swords, and we also have the King of Swords. I'm getting Libra, somebody knew that you were a lone soul and they offered you friendship, or them offer you to be a part of this group of women who all of y'all either lost your mothers or all like, I'm not sure if all, I'm getting something about this sector. I'm getting something about some Jewish people. I'm getting something about a Gemini. I'm getting when you took the deal or when you decide to be a part of this feminine group, you only went there because you wanted a sense of belonging. Maybe you never had sisters, and if you did, you were never close to them. I'm getting something about the feminine energy. I'm getting you want to celebrate your achievements, but all the females around you never acknowledge your achievements. Especially the females around you. Now again, I don't know what your relationship with women is, because usually your relationship with women will stem from your relationship with your mother. But me getting you seeing that something also getting Libra, you're seeing that the women are not sticking together, because as soon as a man come in the picture, the women dissolve or the women compete against each other. You know, like how all of the men them always stick up for each other, all of the men them always put other men over women. Me getting you cannot find you can't find an organization or entity that would put women first, even if a man come in the picture. Me getting everybody's friends, everybody's okay until a man come in the picture. Me getting something about a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The death card. The death card is clarified by the 5 of Cups. Yeah, because me getting you seek friendship or people who you thought would be your friends. Me getting them don't celebrate your accomplishments. Your friends are the females around you. They will never say, Libra, you're doing a great job and I can't believe we're even friends. They will never clap for you. Even if you're doing something major and they're doing something that's not, it don't even match up to what you're doing, they will never acknowledge it. Your friends want to treat you like friends, when Libra, you're probably like the it of the fucking show. The 3 of Cups is clarified by the 9 of Pentacles. All right, that's the Virgo energy. Yeah, beginning in a group full of females, you still feel lonely. They don't celebrate your accomplishment, them celebrate each other. And I believe they do that because you're successful, Libra. You stand alone. You might be a Libra Virgo. I'm getting you stand alone. You always feel lonely. You always feel outcast. It's because you're better than them, Libra. That's why. And even though they're inviting you into this group, the group's supposed to ignore you. Maybe because you have extraordinary abilities. Because I'm getting you don't feel connected to the group. Maybe you're richer, you have so much money, but you don't have friends to share the money with. And the friends that you do have, those are some jealous bitches, Libra. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the King of Swords. We have King of Swords twice. Okay, I don't know who this is. I'm getting something about this man, something about twins, or I'm getting something about a clone. Something about a clone. A clone of a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Something about men. What is your connection to men? What is the connection to your father? You know your father? And if you did know him, what kind of man was he to you? We're getting something about this Gemini, Libra, Aquarius that comes from this Jewish sector. Maybe this person used you to get closer to these women, to betray them. At first, I feel like you were doing a job to be paid for the job, but then after, I feel like you're like, I really don't have any connection to women. Yeah, the Death card, Scorpio. The 2 of Swords is clarified by the Hierophant. Yeah, I'm getting you want something real. Now, I don't know what your sexuality is, Libra. I don't know if you actually want to be with somebody. I don't know if you look for a partner, if you're looking for, you're looking for a lifelong partner. Maybe you're looking for something relating to the Hierophant. Maybe you're wondering, should I really be with a girl or should I be with a man? Me getting you don't know. You also don't know who's the real one. Me getting you don't know who are the real one. Me getting 2 people, you don't know which one is the real one. There's something about a clone, Libra. Or somebody who is reaching out to you from a fake account. I'm getting it's not them, it's somebody else. One more, where the King of Swords is clarified by the Angel. Me getting you have a lot of male friends, Libra, which is great, but me getting you don't feel connected to them. Maybe the only way you feel connected to males is if you're romantically involved with them. Maybe you have a lot of male friends, but me getting you wonder about your feminine energy. Because I won't lie, Libra, it does not matter if you have male friends. The man them are gonna take your energy. The man them are gonna always put men above you because you're a girl. Me getting something is stemming from your mom. And I'm getting the men who you're talking to, they may not have close relationships with their mother, or me getting because they didn't have fathers, they relied on each other. You have no feminine energy to rely on, Libra. We have human and sex trafficking. I'm not sure what you went through in your past. I'm getting if you went through a lot of abuse, who abused you? The girls or the men? And it's very weird that you kind of don't want to fuck with women, but you're fucking with men, but the men fuck with each other. They'll never put you, no matter even if you're on the top with men, they'll put a man who's lower than you above you because you're a girl. So perhaps you need a female to have your back. We have shark. We have Cancer. Cancer rules the mother. And it does not matter how gangster you act. It does not matter if you act like a man, Libra. You still have breasts. And men know that. We have Pluto, which is the coldest planet. And we also have illness. Me getting you feel, I don't know, me getting your mental health is not doing good. You think about your mother. Or you think about, boy, me getting you feel unloved. Libra, no matter what you go through, I am not going to say that your feelings are not valid, but I'll say, Libra, there's no such thing as a life that's better than yours. You may not have the feminine energy you would hope to clap for you and push you to the best of your abilities. Some people have it worse, Libra. I just want you to know that it's possible for you to build on what you already have. Do not seek what is outside you. And if you seek what is outside you, Libra, make sure that person have your back. There's no such thing as, oh, I don't fuck with women, I only get along with men. The men are gonna always put men over you. You have to fuck with at least one girl, Libra. So I'm going to leave it here, all right? Until next time, bye.